And this is the Metropolitan Police. So, as Mr. Peeps, Metropolitan Police are out here terrorizing people them, so they want to go in the market, but there is no market for them to go into. As you can see, so everybody has to be on the roadside. So see them there. So they work with the government, but what is the government doing? Yes, they need to keep the sidewalk clean and all of that. Yes, but there is literally no market. The market mash up. So there's the thing. I have to grab a glass and look good if a banana I see.
Yeah, man, yes, I have a banana.
How much are those banana?
I know those now, which are we have 2 grand, 5 just here.
Like a sweat moment. I never remember someone want a dread nut. What you dread nut for, man?
Dread nut, they have 350 over for that.
Alright.
Yeah, no blood clot, yes, I take my time. I take my time, I'll be ready. What?
351. Yes, sir, come back out here. Show no market here. Whoa, my tummy aches. I am hungry.
What's one?
Legalize. Happy pay. Good evening, good afternoon, family. I don't know, it's about all of Fire 777. Coming to you from Jamaica, the land that we all love, that was given to us from one up above. And if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you are not a member of the channel, yeah, please become a member now. Yeah, help the channel to grow. Yeah. Support the movement. Join the channel. Join the channel. If you're not a member, join the channel. Trust me. Very affordable to join the channel. Yes. Support the channel, help the channel grow. So this morning we are at Charles Road Market, and it's a Saturday morning, so we come to the market early this morning, earlier than I normally come. I haven't come this early in a long time. I used to come very early. So I don't know. Yeah, early morning settings. Early morning settings tips. Yeah.
Come on, healthy lifestyle.
Healthy. So it's an early morning settings tip. What's the pepper? Buy sweet pepper first. So this morning I am about to spend roughly about, my budget is $30 US. $30 US. That's my budget this morning, people. So Let's see if I can work. I can use that, spend that wisely. So the first thing I got me is some sweet pepper. In Jamaica we say sweet pepper, but you guys else here might say bell pepper. But in Jamaica we say sweet pepper. Let me see, yeah. So I say, oh, $30. Let's call it $30 US. We're planning on spending. And I get some tomatoes, some onions, some escallion. I have vegetable from the other day. I don't need no more vegetable. Yes, I don't need no more vegetable. A Metropolitan Police working early this morning. Trying to keep the people in on. Long time, Mr. Susumba. Mr. Susumba, brother?
Yes, Susumba general. I can get 100, I can get 200.
Alright, give me 100 Susumba. Long time I need Susumba. I got a choice, Susumba.
And it good for your liver.
You know, man.
And it gives 7 different mineral salts.
A long time I
Bumbo, you tell me no?
Much for the,
yeah, $100.
Yeah. This is Susumba or gully bean.
Yeah, man. Yeah, 100 worth.
Yeah, man.
100, you can get $100 worth, you can get any amount though. You want that?
Yeah. How much that?
Yeah, 100. You want
Okay.
You're in touch with
Yeah. I'll get me some lemongrass too. IKF. The right name is lemongrass, but in Jamaica we say fever grass. So other lady there sells susumba. So we call it susumba, but it's actually gully bean. I think gully bean is the right name. I don't think. That is a scientific name. But we normally cook it with saltfish in Jamaica. So definitely I'm gonna cook up some today. It's been a while. So Metropolitan Police are then keeping things in order, you know? Yeah. So you don't want nobody selling on that side. Some people going to buy a wholesale. So garlic 100.
100 garlic.
See like banana at the back of market now. Say me get some banana too. Alright. Soon come. I get some. No, different thing me I look. Banana and so forth and so on. So me now look on our style today. What's your okra?
400.
Eh?
400.
Okay. Remember the little lady there, her vice. Kind of not have no conscience when she herself. Oh, so around this side they mostly have a market this morning because people
Green apple 500. Green apple 500. 900 a pound, get the green. 900 a pound, get the green. 900 a pound.
What's your pumpkin? So this no? I'm 2.9 eh? Huh? I'm 2.9. Yeah, so much more gone already. Yeah.
Pumpkin at 100. 300.
That's it. Alright. Some more onion, tomato, escallion. So we get the banana. Irish 100.
Local 100. Local 100. Local 100. Local 100. Local 100.
Local 100.
Local $100.
$100 local.
Local Irish 100. Local Irish 100. Local Irish 100. Local Irish 100. Local Irish 100.
Aye.
one half. Low calorie shot 100, 1 pound and 1 pound. Low calorie shot 100, low calorie shot 100. Low calorie shot 100. Respect. Another respect. You have actually people in place.
So you see, here's some tomato now. 3 skillet, brother. 150 pound, no? Can you get that? Or that too much? Huh?
One pound, right?
No, 150 pound. I don't want 1 pound. 150 pound. Oh, you don't have so much?
Yeah, man.
You don't have, you don't have so much. Alright, big up yourself. Now I need some tomato. Money I run down peeps. Chop back for pepper.
200.
Eh?
200 about.
Alright. Good. How much is okra?
Okay, now 200 and now 300.
Alright. For the time, for time. Banana, what? Banana, then look. Banana, they're not really a banana today.
Ah, God.
Hey, what's the laugh, man? Banana, Mr. Plant over here, sir. What does it for banana? Huh? What does it for banana? How much you want to sell banana?
$700.
Okay. Yeah, that peeps. $700 a dozen for banana. Pour me tomato. No, 150 pound, please. 150 pound. 150 pound. Yeah.
1 ton.
How much is tomato?
150.
150 only.
That one 150 only. Alright, no.
1 pound.
Just give me $200.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so there, man, Papa. What's up with me, man? Okay, okay. So we can cut all the copyright. So this is where the market is. Man, you don't get stuff. So I get tomato. She okra. Eh? No, Angela. Onion. I'm not saying onion. Why am I not seeing onion tape? So now, normally you want the market not come all the way back down here, so. But today it's different. Because they're pushing the eagles and all the way out of here, so as I said, the market mash up. No onion, I'm gonna say no onion. A banana is $700 a dozen. You know, from the hurricane we haven't have any banana, so. The cat at work? Yeah. I'm not right, the cat. I'm shout it for you. Cat at work, cat at work. Road. No onion. No onion there. Are you serious? Alright, we never go to the side there. Let's go to the side there. See rubbish sheep there. Big rubbish sheep. So pumpkin man. So this is another side of the market that we don't normally come. Oh, good thing we come to the side there. I never remember some want a dreadnought. What's your dreadnought fire, man?
Dreadnought, they have 350 over for that.
Alright.
I know blood clot, yes, I take my time. I take my time on my read. Real
351 there. Are you enjoying that? St. Catherine?
One no blood clot, yes. 350.
350. Alright, so I'm not even a boss, but I work with it right away. Pick up yourself.
Ah, no, same thing.
See? So even still have the most coconut in the market. This is another side that I don't normally come, as I said. So I'm reach we around so then I come back and buy the onion. Onion now sell. I really ask how much onion, nobody now answer. Alright. Morning, sir. So Mr. Peeps, so it's a different side of the market where we are. We still want to sell so banana and plantain. $6 a dozen. Yes. 1 carrot load of banana and plantain, you know that's hot. So if you have banana and plantain now, your thing shot. Banana and plantain is what is selling now. Banana and plantain, different price. Wow. Alright, see market peeps. But in the market, really market mash up. Yeah, market mash up. Hey, no brother. No pop choy, I had enough pop choy. Still have some pop choy in the fridge from last week. As I said, peeps, this is a different side of the market that I don't normally come. So Come in. Come up, driver. Come up with the van.
Take a time, take a time, man. Take a time, man.
Yo, Jamaican crazy man to take his time. Only one run over somebody. Can you believe that? All breadfruit there too. Show one for breadfruit. Yeah. Right, banana.
Banana shut up.
Lie. I have to take off a glass and look good if a banana I see.
Yeah, man, they say if I have a banana.
How much are those banana?
I know those now, which are they have 2 grand, 2.5 they just here.
Ah. It's like a certain moment I'm not used to. I haven't seen in a long time.
Then that's why price went up so.
I understand. I understand still. Yo. Have a look, good peeps, because I haven't seen banana in the longest while. So 2 grand, 3 grand and for banana them. Yo, I haven't seen banana in the longest while. Alright, banana. So I'll try to get some onion now. Some onion and what else I want now? Yeah, so you see, alright, down on this side normally full of people from both sides of the road. But you have the Metropolitan Police. Yes. They don't carry gun, but they carry buttons. So they say they are clearing the streets from the igloos. But tell me, but even the China them benefit, the wholesalers benefit when the street is crowded, see me, not true daddy?
Yeah?
I say wholesalers them benefit, see me too. Yeah, benefit when the street crowded with people. Yes, the market look people. Normally, if you're watching videos them, the market normally look like this on a Saturday morning. At this time, people outside and both sides of the street, but this morning, nobody left on the road really. Alright, take your time. So see, both sides of the market. Both sides of the market clean. So this is not normally how it is. So they're saying that the people are supposed to go into the market, but there is no market because the market mash up, as I say, and then a repair market. And if the rain fall down here, so people, I tell you don't want to see rain fall down so. So they must say people are going to the market, but there is no market really. You don't got no more friggin' market to go in. Yeah. I need a marble or onion, miss? Oh, onion. Now say for marble or onion, just say onion. It look like marble. Yeah.
Skelly had 2 bills a pound.
You want a garlic?
One was jet the garlic. Skelly had 2 bills.
I support the movement.
Skelly had 2 bills.
You look like fruit, but I don't look like star at all. Fruit, and now, so I'm going to star in them fruit, mommy. You want some star in that fruit, mommy? Pick up yourself. So, that brother is paralyzed, and that's how he makes his living. And this is the Metropolitan Police. Miss, one onion, you know, about onion. Onion want, you know. One of the peas. Peas? Yeah. And come here for rice and peas. Where do they want to go? Which other market they want to go? Where market they want to go now? Where in the market? Where market there? A market that? I don't see the market in there. So, as you see, peeps, Metropolitan Police are out here terrorizing people them, so they want to go in the market, but there is no market for them to go into, as you can see. So everybody up there on the roadside, so see them there. So they work with the government, but what is the government doing? Yes, they need to keep the sidewalk clean and all of that. Yes, but there is literally no market. The market mash up. So there is nothing to go into from the hurricane, and they are collecting money every day, same way. So persons are here waiting for them to leave so they can pack out. Yeah. Cross is them, eh? So this is not the regular Saturday morning market. The market look away based on the Metropolitan Police then. So what am I gonna give the title of this video? Tell me. What is the title of this video? Bad Market. Yes, that is it. Bad Market. I'm not seeing no onion. So, no, okay, so.
Yeah, fuck. When me tell them call him uncle, he couldn't believe.
So, this is it, peeps. Yeah. So, cats and stuff, you know, so some people, you know, start sell same way. The market building itself, it is dilapidated. So actually it's the first I ever see the market in here, look, so. Yeah. So I'm just walking around. I'm gonna buy from my customer the onion that I want. So let's serve at a show in market look like this. I'm now coming here. So this is Jamaica market. Charles Garden Market. Big tree. From poverty to big tree.
Go, 50 about change that to my record.
The circle and come back out here. Show no market today. Whoa, my tummy aches. I am hungry. So if it's the first time coming to the challenge, peeps, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and become a member now. Join the movement. Become a member. And becoming a member, you get to see videos that only members can see first. Yeah. And we can also have live chat for those members only. Yeah, so we're gonna have a lot of things coming up, peeps, on this channel. We have videos just for members, so join the channel. Oh, plant there, man. Plant there. And breadfruit, I come out back. Alright, let's walk around. Alright, so let's get back out of here. So this is just out the market there. I say Charles Garden Market. Trap me there now.
What's the word?
Legalize it. What's your carrot? £2 and carrot. Papa, where there? You don't have none, Papa?
Sorry.
You don't have none? You know I'm gonna take legalize. Think you have it that short on the cat, man. Yeah. So I'll say I can hold 2 pounds. You get some carrot, you can make some carrot drink later. You got like a bit of beetroot. No, one more. Sure? Alright. 4. Today.
I'm saying that.
Here it's good for tuberculosis. I don't hear that it's good for tuberculosis. Legalize it. Well, it's legalized now, Peter touch, but not as how you would like it. So you can only carry 2 ounces. So that may really legalized. And only some people can plant it, have the license to plant it. So if you don't know what we're talking about, people are talking about Jamaican weed. Peter touch saying about legalize it. So it is actually legal in Jamaica, where you can actually be puffing it on the road and police not trouble you. But you can't have no more than 2 ounces on you. Otherwise, they will confiscate it and lock you up. So is that legalize it? You tell me.
Jamaican money run out. You're coming at it. They run out of money in our country.
Let's sell the lettuce.
500.
So, bad market to the peeps. Bad market. Market mash up. Bad market. Market is mash up. That's the title of the video today. Bad market. So I buy onion from a lady here. It's a cool lady.
100 for sweet pepper. Baby.
Yeah? Miss, me I call baby miss. Big man like me that wear pampers long time. Yeah, miss? Yeah? I put that onion. How much onion?
300.
Onion gone up, man. Way up.
So how much the onion? Yes, I'm looking for a nurse lady.
Huh?
I'm looking for a nurse lady. How much you want?
How much more? 4 more. You think I might want to take out?
Oh, you never had a look from me. You
Yeah.
know, say, you know, easy. You know, easy, you know. 1 pound, one?
Yeah.
For me, that. Sweet pepper 100, that pepper 100. Huh?
I still have money left, man. I still have money left. I can shop.
Sweet pepper 100, that pepper 100. Huh? Hey,
Yes, yes, miss. Huh?
I want a picture of my take one upon me.
I'm using my phone. I think use my phone and take one ID picture for you. I use my phone and take an ID one for you.
Instant.
Yeah?
Instant.
You know, instant me and send to her. Very instant. Let me not make sure we eat it tomorrow.
Come me have sweet pepper 100, Irish 100. 100 over here, sir.
Alright, thank you, mama. So yes, peeps, that is it. I got a nice little bag. And Mr. Metropolitan Police terrorizing people in the street. So, bad market mash up today. Yeah. Look at Saturday morning, this is not what Saturday morning market normally look like. So the people instead of come out here from 5 o'clock this morning, Metropolitan Police reach out here from 5 o'clock. Mash up the market for them. Yeah. So this side of the street normally, pack a morning, Saturday morning time, everybody has to take with himself. Yeah. The ginger, mommy? I don't want 500. I just want 150. I don't want 500. What kind of pineapple, mommy? Bullet. Bullet? Okay, I don't like that one there. Oh. No, I don't like the name of that pineapple. Bullet. Why did not buy a bullet? Alright, mommy, thanks. Yeah. So the most expensive thing in the market today is banana and plantain. Yeah, so onion gone up. Seems like local onion scarce again because the imported one is now for $300. So yes, peeps. So we are coming from the Charles Garden Market. If you're gonna say which market is it, it is Charles Garden Market. And also Mayor for Montego Bay. Yeah. He was a politician. Yeah, as far as what I researched and I saw. Yeah, so we're heading back home. And this has been a market video. Trust me, it's not a good view for me. In a sense, because I mean people come to make some money. And I love when my Jamaican peoples are making money. And you might say, you say peoples. Well, I love to use the word peoples. I put it in my vocabulary. So I said peoples. And no one can stop me from saying peoples. I love when my Jamaican peoples, not peeps, you know, my Jamaican peoples are making money. Yeah. So why they are not making money? It hurts my heart. Because a lot of them pack up their stuff and today Saturday and then tomorrow Sunday, so a lot of them not gonna come to be at the market tomorrow. A lot of them trust goods and trying to sell it because people trust goods and sell it and pay back the money. They make a profit, pay back what they owe, and they go home. That's how a lot of them live. So anyway, peeps, it has been another market video. So we head home, we bought some breakfast. It's supposed to be about after 9 now. Supposed to be about after 9 now. So later on we're coming back on the road. So I'm trying to do 2 videos today. Yeah. Because I haven't been consistent, so definitely I'm gonna run out on them with my camera. So peeps, thank you all for liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing, and remember, become a member of the channel, support the movement. We are going way up. So anyway, stick and stay. That is it, fam. So I say stick and stay. I'm sure I say big up on yourself. Thank you all for liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. Yeah. So until next video, peeps, remember, good over evil and God over devil and life over death. Big up on yourself. Peace out. Peeps, just reach home. And yeah, so the video end, but yeah, I should show you guys what I bought. Yeah, so this is what I bought. I got me some carrot, and that's some local carrot. I got me some fever grass. In Jamaica we say fever grass, but you know it as lemongrass. Yeah. And I got me some scallion and thyme, 1 pound to be exact. So this is roughly 150. So just a little bit less than a dollar US. Just a little bit less than a dollar US for this. And this used to be more expensive than that. Yeah, and I got me some pumpkin as well. This is a pumpkin. Yeah, 2 pound of pumpkin, real red pumpkin, you know. Real red pumpkin, real nice pumpkin too. And I got me some Irish potato, local Irish potato also, and some tomatoes. Yeah, not a bad man. And some hot pepper. So this is some hot pepper. In Jamaica we say Scotch bonnet pepper, and this is some real Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. This pepper are normally really hot, one of the hottest in the world. And I got me some ginger. Yeah, the ginger is to put in my carrot drink, and some garlic. Yeah, and peeps, can I believe it that garlic, these garlic are actually from China? Because when I used to work at a supermarket in Jamaica, I know this. This is a product of China. You can see here, it's a product of China. It's a fresh garlic. Yeah, and this is selling Jamaican market. You hardly can get any other garlic. This is the garlic that they mainly import. And here we have bell pepper. This is local also. In Jamaica we say sweet pepper, but you guys know it as bell pepper up in a foreign. And this is some peas. And this again with Jamaica we say peas. Some people say bean. So this is used to cook some rice and peas. So this is the main reason why I also buy the ginger. Because in Jamaica, when we're putting peas to soak, we put peas from the night before in water, wash it and put it in water with garlic and ginger, and you don't have to pressure it. It's soft. When I get up in the morning, it's already soft, ready to cook. And this is some, I don't know as a Jamaican remember this, but this is susumba. Susumba. I think susumba is an African word. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it sounds like African word. Susumba. Otherwise, gully bean, but I'm going to look up the right name for it and see. So susumba, gully bean, or gully bean. And this is some, it's a little bit of, I don't know how okra gets so expensive. And this is one coconut. As we say, the Rastas in Jamaica call it dreadnought. I guess I call it dreadnought based on a lot of things they got to take off when they got to take off of it, so it look like dread. So they call it dreadnought. Yeah, and I got me some onion, and that is it. So tell me how I did. You know, you tell me how I did. I think I get a good amount of things, and roughly this cost me like roughly about $30 US. Yeah, about $30 US. So tell me if you could get this in America or Canada or wherever you are for $30 US. Yeah, all of this $30. Yeah, and over here, so I still have a meringue. It's a meringue leaf. So yeah, so it's dry. So you're gonna blend it and turn it into powder and use it to make drinks or cook with. So yes, peeps. So tell me what I did. So thank you all for watching and liking and sharing and commenting and subscribing. And remember, join the channel, peeps. Help the channel to grow, you know? Yeah. So until next video, big up on yourself. Peace.
Boy, that's right. Tell me I'm the one, I'm the only one. Something's gotta budge like the time you want. Tell me I'm the one or I'm up and gone. Yeah. Touching on my body like nobody does. We lock and key every time we link up. Put some pressure on so I know you're mine. 'Cause if I have to ask you one more time.